In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect TastyFX to TradingView so you can trade directly from your favorite charting platform. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this setup will streamline your workflow and make trading a lot smoother. Let's begin. Now, before we start, make sure you have active accounts for both TastyFX and TradingView. Alright? And then here, I want you to log into your credentials. So we're going to use TradingView instead. Go to the products and click the super charts. And then hover down below where you can see the trading panel. I want you to click on it. Okay? And then, if you do that, you hover down below where you can see the trading panel. Click on it and go to the Find Broker. And then type in TastyFX. You want to make sure that your accounts are both ready and log in using your credentials. This integration is super beneficial for traders who rely on technical analysis and need a seamless way to go from signal to execution without constantly switching platforms, because you can analyze markets with pro-level tools, you can customize tools with PineScript, and access a global trader community. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.